Innovative Design Tolerancing Assistant. New and experienced CAD engineers alike use historical best practices when using tolerances for assembly design. This doesn't necessarily guarantee that they make the best choice, just the one that tends to work most often. This probability-based approach can result in higher costs or a lower functional performance than necessary. Flanders Make has developed a semi-automatic workflow that allows the CAD engineer to assign geometric dimensioning and tolerancing data to the various parts of the assembly, then analyze both cost and functional performance. It's a unique approach that allows engineers to make trade-off decisions during the design phase. This technology represents the next step in first-time right CAD design and supports engineers in meeting functional needs in the most cost-effective manner during the design stage. By removing the guesswork from decisions between standard tolerances or costlier custom tolerance specifications, it can help to reduce both costs and complexity. On our symposium, you could try out the technology on a small commercial gearbox, whose input and output shafts and housing parts are to be outsourced for manufacturing. Your job is to determine the tolerances based on their function and requirements.